This one is interesting. How do you guarantee na meron kang at least 1 million pesos pag nag-retire ka at age 65? So alam ko, maliit lang ang 1 million, lalo na sa future. Pero for now, let's start with this simple goal. Kasi yes, posible yan and guaranteed. If you want bigger, then go ahead. Pwedeng mas malaki yung goal mo. So let me share with you yung AIA Ascend. What you need to do, you just need to save around 10,000 pesos per month for 10 years. That's it. No more after that. Guaranteed ito. 10 years lang, 10,000 per month. So talaga nagsisave ka for the long term. And this is what you will get. Starting at the end of year 6, AIA will start giving you guaranteed yearly cash payouts every single year until you turn 65. So magkano yun? 25,000 per year may matatanggap ka. Pwede mong gastusin kung saan mo man gustong gamitin yung pera na yun while waiting. So habang naghihintay ka ng retirement, may bumabalik agad sa'yo taon-taon. And by age 65, you'll receive a guaranteed cash lump sum at least 1 million pesos or even more, depende sa plan mo, depende sa budget mo. So it's like hitting two birds with one plan. May income ka habang naghihintay at may retirement fund ka at the end. No? Kaipon ka tapos na-enjoy mo yung pera mo, hindi siya basta ganun lang, no, na sinisave mo lang yung pera mo. So if you're interested with this, message me today and I'll help you build a guaranteed future with AIA Ascend. So start small pero look long term. Think long term and retire with peace of mind. Message mo ako.